Mr. Lee, good morning. Incheon Airport is a reference worldwide, chosen for 6 years the best airport in the world. Which is the secret? Could you tell us?
Every airport should focus on speed, convenience, and safety. On top of that, we focused on something differentiate with other airport, which comes from culture port. Now, our airport is really, we tried to do something different than other airport, particularly for enjoying of traditional culture, and everybody can join of some cultural activities. Those are different than other airports.
If you were invited to work in our industry, in the sector, which would be your focus?
In this area, I just arrived yesterday. I thought you need to increase of some infra capacity expansion, because you are expecting about World Cup and Olympic is coming. The another areas you have to focus on how to improve of the service areas, because you are expecting a lot of passengers as a guest. You are expecting, therefore, how to make them happy. That is, you have to try to improve of some your service abilities.